Right here in Alabama. WIAT 42 Storm Tracker David Baxley joining us live in the Weather Center. How's it looking?
Today was just fabulous.
Oh, yeah.
I was just looking at some climate data coming in from Tuscaloosa. 67 degrees. Are you kidding me?
Beautiful.
It's all going to go away later on tonight as our front moves in, and it does mean business. First things first, a look at Storm Track headlines, and yes, colder conditions later on tonight. By morning, numbers fall off to very close to 20 degrees, breezy conditions. That will last the cold stuff into tomorrow. Then what we're really concentrating on, a winter storm is possible Monday, and it could linger into Tuesday as well. I would suggest preparing now just for a worst case scenario. We're going to kind of go forward in time just a little bit. Around midnight tomorrow night, some areas of clouds moving in. This particular model kind of pushes back the onset of the precipitation, and also notice the wintry mix is a little further north. I can't tell you that's going to stay the same. The next model run may bring that freezing rain and sleet potential back down toward the south. So again, around 8 or 9 o'clock, I think worst areas are going to be across our northern tier of counties. At least right now, that's the way it appears. And the cold stuff will continue into Monday around midday. We're still going to be, especially northern counties, below freezing. We're going to have to see as we head into tomorrow and get closer to this event whether we wind up around 33 or 34 degrees here in Birmingham. But again, it looks like from areas around Etowah County back through Aniana, Coleman, Double Springs, over toward Marion County, this may be the worst corridor, and the potential is there for some ice accumulations. And again, this model is showing the worst of the ice. Again, that's the worst stuff you ever want to see up here. Slippery conditions are possible, but again, don't pay attention too much to just this pink area. This may be pushed down toward the south as time goes on as we head toward Monday. And again, around, say, 10, 11, 12 o'clock on Monday, there could be some slick areas. This is also pulled back a little bit in terms of where the snow is going to accumulate. Notice this takes you through around midnight on Monday night. Looks like the greatest potential for snow is up here across the Tennessee Valley, maybe as far south as around Jasper, and there could be some areas at least dusting as far south as Birmingham. Something will track. So a look at what we're anticipating as we head toward Monday. Around 4 o'clock in far western counties, that potential's there, and then northern counties up to around 5 or 6 o'clock until we all go above freezing. And this is Monday. No problems tonight, no problems tomorrow. There could be some travel impacted the further north you go. So something we'll pay attention to, a very small chance of maybe some power outages in our far northern counties if the model holds true. Right now, here comes the cold front barreling in our direction, and look at temperatures already in Gadsden. Down to 49 degrees. We talked about temperatures earlier this afternoon in the 60s, and yes, as we head throughout the next couple of hours, you're really going to feel it. Look at these numbers by morning. Lee, how you like those?
I don't like them as much as I like today.
Oh, it was great today. Temperatures by morning very close to 20, breezy conditions, wind chills could be as low as around 10 degrees in the morning. As we head into tomorrow afternoon, only in the 30s.
Oof.
Eastern counties, 19. Anniston will go around 39 degrees tomorrow afternoon with some areas of sunshine. So again, no problems in terms of precipitation tomorrow. Then we run into Monday, and again, we'll have to track that low pressure system, where exactly the track is going to be of the freezing rain and the sleet, and something we'll certainly track for you as time goes on. Right now, I would go ahead and prepare just for a worst case scenario, especially in northern counties where they really could be impacted.